Today's episode is...
Enjoy the show, go animating.
I'm going watch TV.
Hi and welcome CNN News. Gift card for me and you will receive your payment money immediately. I will send it back immediately. You will be refunded immediately after payment. Will after your need taking care of and health work can have with you me will you be Caillou your need for me business help me I get do money from for account bank I will don't you
What, Mom?
That's it, you're grounded. Grounded.
Go to your room right now.
Waaaaaaaaaaaaaaaaa